Hello children, welcome back again in our next session of mathematics, and we are in chapter number 9, that is algebraic expressions and identities. So we have already started with exercise 9.4 and question number 1 and question number 2 is done. Today we will see question number 3, that is simplify. So there are 8 questions children in exercise 9.4, question number 3. First 4 we will see today and next 4 we will see in the next session. So let us begin. So this is the first one children, that is x square minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5 plus 25. Now if you see here children, this is your first expression and this is your second one, that is the first term and second term. So there are two expressions here, that is x square plus 5 multiplied by x square plus x plus 5 and plus 25. So here first expression is your x square minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. If you see this, it is a multiplication of a binomial with a binomial, which we have already done. So you will first simplify this expression children, that is x square multiplied by whole bracket, that is x plus 5 and minus 5 multiplied by the whole bracket, that is x plus 5. So you will multiply each and every term with each and every term in the second expression, simplify this expression and then plus 25, that is add 25. So let us begin. So this is solving the first expression children. So x square multiplied by x is nothing but x cube children. Again x square multiplied by 5 is 5x square. And now if you see, this is negative 5. So when it is a negative sign, you have to be very careful with the sign. So negative 5 multiplied by x will be negative 5x. And negative 5 multiplied by 5 is 5 5s are 25, that is negative 25. So this is your expression children after simplifying the first expression, that is x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25. Now in this we have to just add 25, that is plus 25. And if you observe, here is 1 minute children. Now after simplifying this, if I do plus 25, which was our second expression, so this negative 25 and positive 25 gets cancelled and remaining is our answer, that is x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Now if you see, there is no like terms, so we will be keeping as it is this. I hope this was clear. So now our expression is, that is after solving the first expression, we get x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25 plus 25. Minus 25 plus 25 gets 0, that is cancelled. So remaining is x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. I hope you all are writing these solutions in your classwork children. Let us proceed with the next one, that is the second one. So it is again a square plus 5 multiplied by in bracket b cube plus 3 plus 5. Again now children, here we have to divide our sum in two parts, that is first expression and second expression. So first is a square plus 5 multiplied by b cube plus 3 and second one is 5. So let us first solve the first expression, that is a square plus 5 in bracket multiplied by b cube plus 3. So what I am going to do is a square multiplied by b cube is nothing but a raised to 5. Again a square multiplied by 3 will be 3a square. Next is 5 multiplied by b cube will be plus 5b cube, and 5 multiplied by 3 is nothing but 15. 5 3s are 15. So here I have solved my first expression, that is multiplication of a binomial to binomial. After solving, children, if you observe here, there is no like term, so I'll be keeping as it is. Now in this we will add 5, which is there in the question. So that is the second expression, that is plus 5. Now if you see here, 15 plus 5 will be 20. So it will be a raised to 5 plus 3a square plus 5b cube and plus 20. So this is how your answer will be. Let us see once again the solution. So solving first expression, children, as I said, a square multiplied by b cube will be a square b cube. A square multiplied by 3 will be 3a square. 5 multiplied by b cube will be 5b cube. 5 multiplied by 3 will be 15. And both the brackets, you can see there is addition sign. So all the whatever the terms we are getting, that all are positive. So once this is done, now here we will write plus 5. 15 plus 5 is 20. So that will be the solution. That is a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus 15 plus 5 is nothing but a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus 20. I hope this is clear. I hope in the explanation I said a square multiplied by b cube is a raised to 5. That is, sorry children, I thought this is a. It is a square multiplied by b cube is nothing but a square b cube only. So that correction please. Now the third one, children, the next one. Again, that is a very easy one, children. Now if you'll see, there is only a multiplication of binomial to binomial. So let us begin. This is t plus s square in bracket multiplied by in bracket t square minus s. Now you can see in the second bracket there is negative sign. So again be careful while solving. So let us begin. T multiplied by t square, that is how to write, you everyone know children, that is t multiplied by t square minus s, okay, plus s square multiplied by again t square minus s. This is how you write the second step. We have already studied this. Now t multiplied by t square is t cube. T multiplied by 5, sorry, s is, but it is negative s, so negative ts again plus s square t square will be s square t square, children, and again negative here it is, if you see. So minus s square multiplied by negative s is nothing but s cube. So the answer is t cube minus ts plus s square t square minus s cube. Let us see once again the solution. So here if you see, t multiplied by t square is t cube. T multiplied by negative s, negative st. S square multiplied by t square is s square t square. And s square multiplied by negative s is negative s cube. In multiplication, we add the powers, right? That is a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So I hope this is very much clear. Let us proceed with the fourth one. So now this is bit lengthy, children. Stepwise you have to solve. Here we will again divide, that is, will in parts we will do this sum. So if you see here, a plus b multiplied by, in bracket, c minus d plus a minus d multiplied by, in bracket, c plus d plus 2 multiplied by ac plus bd. So we will divide this this whole sum into three parts. That is, this is the first one, second and third. So this first expression we will multiply, all right, that is binomial to binomial. Then next one we will again simplify first this binomial to binomial multiplication, and then we will solve this third one, that is the expression, that is 2 multiplied by, that is monomial multiplied by a binomial. Okay, so and at the end, all the simplified one we will add or subtract whatever is given in the question. So let us solve. So here there are three expressions, as I said. That is, first one is a plus b multiplied by c minus d. Second expression, a minus b multiplied by c plus d. Third expression is 2 multiplied by, bracket, ac plus bd. So let us solve our first expression, that is a plus b multiplied by, in bracket, c minus d. So a multiplied by c is ac. A multiplied by negative d is negative ad. B multiplied by c is bc, and b multiplied by negative d is negative bd. I hope this is easy. I hope all children are getting the concept now. Let us solve our second expression, children. A multiplied by, a minus b multiplied by c plus d is the expression. So a multiplied by c will be ac. A multiplied by d will be ad. Negative b multiplied by c is negative bc. Negative b multiplied by d will be negative bd. When there is a negative sign, be very careful to give that. Okay, sometimes it happens. So many expressions, so many terms are there. So you have to be very careful. Stepwise solve it. Let us come to our third expression, which was very easy. You have to multiply 2 to the second bracket, that is ac plus bd. So 2 multiplied by ac will be 2ac, and 2 multiplied by bd is 2bd. All the terms will be positive. Now the next step is combining this all and solving. So our expression was a plus b multiplied by c minus d. When we solved it, we got ac minus ad plus bc minus bd. Next one was plus. So here again, if you see, there is a plus sign, so we are also adding it. So it is a minus b multiplied by c plus d. We have solved it and we got ac plus ad minus bc minus bd. Again there is a plus sign, so we will also give a plus sign, addition of these three expressions, children. Okay, if there is subtraction, you have to do the subtraction. Then 2 multiplied by ac plus bd, we have solved it, we got 2ac plus 2bd. So all the simplified three expressions we are adding over here at the end. So here you can see it is, we are now combining the like terms, children. So ac plus 2ac. If you see, this is 2ac, here again ac and ac. So like terms we have combined here. Again ad and ad, I got here ad, and here one positive ad, which gets here negative 1 and positive 1 gets cancelled, so 0. So 0 ad you can see here, right? Now next one, bc minus bc, here again you can see, which is again 0 bc. And last one is bd, sorry, this was bc. So bd minus bd plus 2bd. Okay, so this is 0 0 sorry, negative, and negative will be minus 2, and minus 2 and plus 2, again it will be 0, children. So here again 0 bd. So what is left? So only 4ac is left, that is 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4ac. So this is how you have to be very careful with the while solving, that is positive, negative, and if there is no coefficient, that means it is 1. So that you have to be very careful, children. So this is how we are solving this. I hope this is clear, children. Keep practicing. After going through this video lesson, try to solve by your own in the classwork, children. Wherever you are not getting, again you can see the video and go through. But keep practicing. After practicing only, you will be getting a perfection. That's it. For today, we will stop over here, and another 4 sums we will be continuing in our next video lesson. Thank you.